You just ask the questions and I'll answer them. That's all I gotta do. Okay, you got it. My name is Deane. I'm currently enrolled in the welding program with instructor Luke Hummer. The reason why I decided to enroll in EC3 was because my father has a portable welding business, and this was something that I was looking to get into. EC3 was the best fit for me because not only do I have a full-time job, but this would be something that I could do at nighttime. Everything fit: the time, the price, the schedule, and the instructor and everything is very, very helpful and very knowledgeable, and I'm having a great time. It's excellent. I love going to school there. I am learning so much in a short period of time. I'm sure Luke probably gets annoyed with me because I ask a lot of questions, but he is always very patient and always willing to show me, and I'm always willing to learn. Generally, there's a lot of businesses around here that are interested in hiring welders and people who they can walk in the door and be like, this person's good to go. You're not wasting employers' time. I think that speaks volumes for anybody who's trying to get into the welding field. I'd say jump in head first. It's a lovely program, excellent people. I have learned so much within theory, within principle, being able to market myself and say, hey, I have these certifications if you would like me to come weld on whatever you need me to weld on. I think this is gonna take my career to the next level in ways that I couldn't even imagine.
Are you ready to learn with us? Head to ec3pa.org/apply and apply today for free.